Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Google Photos app keeps crashing issue in red. Click settings, click app management, click app list, click Google Photos, click storage use, click clear data, then click delete, click settings, click app management, click app list, open any app, click storage use, click clear cache. Same process, step by step clear all app cache. Click storage, click clean, then restart your phone. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Google Photos. Click Google Photos. If you get any update, please update. Thanks for watching.